Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is sausage swirls. That's sausage rolls with attitude. Talking about things with attitude, what am I going to get the wife for Christmas? The electric drill I got her last year didn't go down too well. And the fuss she made over the car cleaning kit I got her the year before that, I couldn't go through that again. Okay, the first thing we do for this recipe is melt the butter in a suitable sized frying pan, add the onions, saute off until the onions start to take on some colour, then add the chopped up sage leaves, mix through for a minute, remove from the heat and allow to cool completely. I'd buy her a bottle of champagne, but the bloody woman don't drink. When the onion and sage mixture is thoroughly cooled, put the sausage meat in a suitably sized bowl, add the onions and sage mixture, salt and pepper to taste, then using your hands thoroughly mix together. A subscriber suggested I bought her a new broom, one with an electric starter motor, but I haven't got enough money for that. Anyway, when everything's mixed together you should have something that looks like this. When this is done, lay the puff pastry sheet on a suitably sized chopping board and spread out the sausage meat mixture as you see here. Don't forget to leave an overlap at the end. I offered to buy her a new cauldron, but she said I was so old fashioned she prefers the air fryer. Then it's time to very gently roll up the puff pastry sheet. When you get to the end, brush it with a bit of water or milk to seal it. Then it's off to the fridge for 30 minutes just to firm up a little. Then when the 30 minutes are up and you're ready to cook, line a baking tray with greaseproof paper and using a sharp knife, cut the sausage roll into 8 equal pieces. I'd get her a black cat, but we already got 6 of the buggers in the house. Then when you've cut up the sausage rolls, transfer the pieces onto the baking tray. Then it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Then when the 30 or 40 minutes are up, remove from the oven and serve hot or cold. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And if I make it through the Christmas holidays, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. I wonder if Amazon sell black pointed hats.